Hi, it's Marvin. It's a sunny Sunday afternoon. I've got the blue top on, which means it's another Morrison's block. I've got a 2-hour block for £40. Let's see how it goes. See you after I've loaded up. Only 4 stops on this route. We've got a 12, a 3, a 10 and a 6, so only 31 parcels altogether. And we're off to the Forest of Dean again. Seems to be the pattern on a Sunday afternoon, which is fine, I don't mind that. Nice little ride into the country. Let's go. It's odd. Why are they already scanned? Hello there, got your Morrisons for you. Okay, and a few more, 3 more. Here we go, all done for you. That's the important one. The kitchen rolls and the toilet rolls, they're the important ones. Cheers! Hello. Oh, you must have ordered something good because it's...
25th of the 8th of 48.
And you're Lynn?
And I'm Lynn.
So cool. 1948. There we go. Super, all done for you. Thank you. I expect so. There's a couple of heavy ones. Rest. Ba, ba, ba. Hello, got your Morrisons for you. Thank you. Have a nice afternoon. Hello, how are you doing? It's a bit of a faff going around the closed road. How long is it? How long is it going to be closed for? Is it the?
6 months, the same as last time.
Is it
COVID's
the
gone again.
Oh,
They didn't do it well. Apparently the pipe they put in was too small,
oh.
and they were told that, and 6 months down the road,
It's gone again.
it's gone again, so they shut it. If I'm going out to Little Dean, I have to go through Rawdine.
Yep.
If I'm going out to Colford, I have to go up down the bottom, go left to the temporary lights, and then do a sharp. I said his lane.
Yeah. All right. Thank you. Have a nice afternoon. So that was a 2-hour Morrison's block done in 1 hour and 15 minutes. I did use a little bit of fuel because it was uphill. Going home, it's downhill most of the way, so I'll be using electric and regenerating some. Also, I'm about 45 minutes from home, so I'll be getting home just about the time the block should end, which is always nice. If you enjoy these videos, give me a like, and remember you can subscribe to Marvin's Flex Tips to see more ride-along videos and also tips and tricks to do with Amazon Flex. See you next time.